I've got all this data, but I don't know how to use it.
Manufacturers face these questions all the time. They generate more data than any other business sector and also don't use most of the data. Imagine this: a leading manufacturer is overwhelmed with data from all internal and external sources. Human resources and semi-automatic tools are not equipped to handle thousands of variables from wide data. Now imagine this: a digital AI-powered technology with the immense power of machine learning is exposed to the wide data. The more data AI receives, the smarter it gets. Together, AI and wide data help reduce costs, enable faster decision-making, uncover patterns, predict accurately, reason decisions. How Findability.ai helps manufacturing enterprises. Automate resource planning with 50% greater accuracy, up to 99% accuracy in forecasting product prices, optimized inventory in hundreds of locations, forecast demand in various regions based on local economic activities. How does all this happen? Thanks to the combination of machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Findability Sciences drives AI-led digital transformation by increasing efficiency and making enterprises data superpowers. For every traditional business, there is a Findability Sciences solution. Looking to supercharge your manufacturing enterprise? Visit Findability.ai.